Okay, so beta update 3.12. Now I'll show you how to get in there. From the main area, you go down to settings, then you're in general, you click on the version number and it will tell you where you are. Okay, so this is the latest beta update, version 3.12. And here's what we've got. So we're just going to look at it together. First of all, what's new in the beta? Creative shortcut. A button in My Files for quick searches or creating new content. So if we go back, we have to keep clicking back. This is the creative shortcut down the bottom here. So what we've got is what used to be on the top, which was plus folder, plus new notebook, plus quick sheet, and used to have the this little magnifying glass over on the right. That has changed now, and down here is the creative shortcut down here. So this all works the same. You just click on plus folder and it comes into a folder. You just click on plus notebook and it gives you the same options for the notebook. You click on plus quick sheet and it'll put you straight into a quick sheet. Again, the difference between a quick sheet and a notebook is no settings. That's the main difference. It also acts like sticky notes. And every time you select quick sheet, it's going to add to the same document. Or notebook. It is a notebook. You see down here? See how it says notebook? This is a quick sheet, but it's called a notebook. See that, quick sheets? It's called a notebook. And as long as it's called quick sheets out on the desktop, it won't move. Now, where's it gone? Interesting. What folder was I in? It's put it in the folder that I was in. That's interesting. It never used to do that. It used to always put it in the home folder. So that may be a new software as well. All right, so let us go to settings. Let's go back here to the release notes. So that's the creative shortcut down here now. It's moved. The home button, you would have already seen it, is the Remarkable logo. So, sorry, used to be able to hop out of it that way, but you can't at the moment. Again, they do change things in this. This is the Remarkable logo. So you can see I'm in My Files Work. I'm in that folder. If I tap on Remarkable, it will take me back to My Files. See how there's nothing along the top? I'm in the root directory, the home screen of My Files, where I've got my two. This is where I start my folder structure with home and work and any files. This is my capture space that I work on. It's just the way I do it. But this is how you know that I'm in my root directory, My Files. This will always bring you back there. And the other thing, which you may have noticed, but let's go to the release notes and I will show you. The other thing is the quick settings. We'll come back to that in a minute. The quick settings, tap the battery icon to open up controls for flight mode, Wi-Fi and more. So previously, you used to have an icon down here that would show you when it was syncing and what the battery was. And it was static. It didn't do anything. Whereas what they've done is they've moved it up here. This is a toggle switch. See this on, off, on, off. I must charge my Remarkable. I hardly ever have to charge it. It's beautiful. Well, not very often, you know how long it lasts. Did I just move that? Hang on. Oh no, I think it's crooked. Anyway, so it's showing you the battery. If I tap it, it just closes the box. Now this is screen share. If I tap it, it says, do you want to connect? Which I don't right now. And then if I tap airplane mode, it actually disconnects from the Wi-Fi. and then I can tap it again and it connects me back up. If we'll just wait for it, you'll see that it will start to connect shortly. There it is. It's going onto my Wi-Fi, and there you are. And now it's connected. And then I can close that box. So you can see what's changed is the top menu has moved down to here, right? And we'll look at the magnifying glass in just a second. The Remarkable slogan has become a button to get you back to your home screen, and you now have control over here, which is similar to where iPhone uses. I'm not sure about Android, but how iPhone uses, you pull down and you get access to that menu. I'll show you. On here, if you pull down, you see this menu here? It's similar to how that works. Sorry, there. So, and then you can use either your pen or your finger to touch that, because you know that with hyperlinks you can't use your pen, and with certain buttons generally you can use both out here. So let's just do that one other thing, and that is the search. That's how you get into search now. You get into search down here, not up the top there where it was. And so let's go to the last thing, which was the dust jackets. Let's have a look. All right, digital dust jackets, new thumbnail styles for your notebooks, your EPUBs, and your PDFs. So let's go back to home directory. Now, can you see those two lines? That is the new, they're calling it a dust jacket, the new thumbnail. What it looks like. See this turned over leaf piece of paper? That is the new PDF thumbnail or dust jacket. Now, I only have one EPUB on this. Let me go by eBooks. Yep, it's this one. Can you see how this looks different? It's straight with crisp corners, and then they're rounded here. Rounded corners just there like that. But that is different to, oh, you know what we can do? Just for the sake of showing you, we can tap that button and it gets us back to the home screen. So it's different. So there's 3 types of new thumbnails. The PDF has the left corner. The notebook, which is the native notebook that comes in the Remarkable, has got the 2 lines, and the PDF has got the rounded corners. So if we go to eBooks, you can see those rounded corners. So they're the 3 new thumbnails for my Remarkable. So this is beta 3.12. I did create a little sheet. We've gone through the creative shortcut. That's the bit down the bottom. The home button, that's the Remarkable logo up the top. The digital dust jacket is the icons, and the quick settings is over here on the right. And I will do another video for 3.11 just for reference sake. But that's the beta update that's not available everywhere yet. Beta is only available if you sign up for beta, and I'll show you. 1 finger down from the top, gently, like tissue paper, gets you out of any document anywhere. Let's go to settings. Now, I turned this off so that it wouldn't update whilst I was, before I recorded the video. But now I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to check for updates. And this is what happens. So you can just watch while it's checking for updates, and it's downloading version 3.12.3 because I've got 3.12.1. I have heard that there's a few rebooting issues with this, but if you want to be a beta update person, then you just go to the Remarkable beta program here and you just say yes. That's basically all there is to it, and then they will start giving you the updates before they come as well. But you may have, look, I haven't had any issues with it, to be honest with you. I was recording some videos this morning, and the zoom button that comes in the middle of your document, it disappeared for a little while. I don't know where it went, but it's come back now, so it's all good. So let's just see if the sheet changes, the release notes. It probably won't, because in between, while it's updating this number here, 3.12. This number here, it doesn't normally give you a new release notes. They're normally just fixing the bugs that they are discovering from devices like mine. Okay, tap to restart. So this is what we do. We will, I can just tap that. I could turn it on and off again, but we'll just tap that. And I'll leave it in real time so that you can see what happens. It was restarting, now it's starting. I haven't got any custom screens on it at the moment because I knew that a new update was coming, so because you reinstall them every time. Okay, so let's have a look at the release notes and we'll see if they're the same. And they probably are. Yeah, it's the same. So you've got the creative shortcut here. The home button is that one up there. The quick settings is the one over on the right, and the digital dust jackets are the icons. So I'm guessing they're just updating some glitches that they've found. And some people are saying it was stalling out and wasn't rebooting well. So I don't know. I've just done it here with you, and I will find out in days to come whether that is going to happen to me or not. But they generally then fix it and then they bring out the update for everybody else. So that's what being a beta tester is all about. So that is it for beta update 3.12. Awesome. Any love on the channel is always appreciated. Thanks so much. Bye.